So it is extremely satisfying result, and the efforts of Rahul ji, Kharge Saab, Priyanka ji, local leadership, and above all, Sonia ji has a huge respect here, and the people of Telangana look up to her. So it is a very satisfying victory for the Congress party. See, if you see with this victory, it's a very, very moral boosting victory after Karnataka, Telangana, and the south of India's. I think we have more or less shut the doors on the BJP as well. So it is a very, very satisfying victory, and it's again you will see that the common man and the needy really trust the Congress party, and in Telangana it was a state of failed promises, family 3 to 4 people ruling, and they had lost the connect with the masses. Absolutely not. This is, I don't know from where this news is coming, and maybe, but at no point of time we had any doubt about our candidates or about our victory in Telangana.